So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Morpen Laboratory share. So we know that today the stock has given upper circuit and currently it has closed near the 58 rupees level. So previously, whatever we have discussed about Morpen Lab, so clearly I told to focus near the 55-56 rupees region, and whenever it approaches that, I told to average, and if you wanted to do any sort of fresh investment in that particular range itself, I have told to add it. So since it has given upper circuit, so many people are having questions regarding what would be the next possible target. So we'll discuss each and everything. We'll do the technical analysis, followed by we'll see how the deliveries are increasing on a regular basis. So if you have not yet subscribed the channel, so do subscribe it, and also join the Telegram group if you have not done that, so that any latest update or any technical chart, whenever it is approaching any breakout region, I'll try to update there. So now let's discuss about Morpen Labs. So first we'll see how the deliveries have been taken, and after that we'll go to charts. Okay, so coming to Morpen Labs, we know that after the continuous momentum that it has generated in the last 3 to 4 weeks, so after that we know stock was in little correction. So when it has gone to 60-65 plus region, so after that little selling pressure was present, and we know the stock has continuously it has been correcting. Clearly you can see that on May 18th also the stock has corrected almost 3.1%. But what is the important thing that we need to focus? So whenever it is showing any sort of correction, you can see the deliveries are increasing. So on May 14th, you can see 35.3% was present. After that, it has increased to 54. And again, yesterday, you can see it has come to 62.8. So what does it mean? It implies that stock is also approaching the support region. So whenever it is approaching support region, so obviously buyers will also try to buy near that particular region. And today, that's why we have seen that particular upper circuit. Okay. So try to do this particular analysis. So not only in this particular stock, in any stock, whenever it is approaching support region, so try to see how the deliveries are fluctuating, whether they're increasing or decreasing, so that you will also have the complete clarity. Okay, so now we are back onto technical charts. You can see this is the 1 week chart of Morpen Labs, and you can see today it has closed near the 58.80 rupees level. Okay, so when you see I have also put pivot points. So previously we have not done the pivot analysis, so only have discussed the levels and we have discussed on moving averages. So when we put the pivot points, you can clearly understand that 50 to 55, you can see this particular region. So clearly I told these particular regions are going to be very, very important. So 55-56, so that is already important region. So after that, I also told you to focus near the 52 rupees as well. So once it starts retracing from that particular levels, whatever we have seen today, you can see currently it is approaching the second resistive region of 60 rupees. So once it crosses that 60 rupees, you can see we have extreme pivot resistance. Can you see this one? Okay, that is 69.20. So till that we can expect some free movement in the stock. So once it crosses 60, so ultimately the stock has a very good free movement till 69. So after that only we need to see whether it will sustain that 69 or will it retrace a little bit and again it will give a breakout. So these things we need to identify. For time being, focus on 60 rupees level. So once it crosses that, definitely you can expect a direct bull run, and you can see it may touch even 69 rupees level. Okay, so these things you need to identify. And coming to money flow index, you can see that is near 84. So already the stock, when it has given a huge momentum, it has gone to overbought region. So that is obvious. So now after little correction, again it is trying to retrace and it is showing some further potential. So this is the basic analysis in 1 week chart. So let's even go to 1 day chart. Okay, so we are back onto 1 day chart. So clearly you can see how well it has retraced from the support region. So what is that? So this was the region that I was talking about. Clearly you can see 54-55. So today from that particular region only, you can see after touching that particular level, it has showed some buying momentum and the stock has hit the upper circuit. Okay, so since it is now free, you can see after it has gone up, it has retested this support, and now it is trying to go near its from all-time high from where it has corrected, which is near the 75-76 rupees level. So this is going to be very, very interesting. So focus. So once it crosses 60, after that, as I told, 70, and after 70 directly we have the 77 rupees region. So once it crosses that as well, we can expect some very good rally. So focus, hold it. So don't try to book any sort of loss, because I know many people have invested in heavy quantities near the 65-70 and they are in little loss. Nothing to worry, since it is following the technicals, you should also follow that, and at the right time only exit in profit. So don't try to book any sort of loss. The stock will give movement, so have little patience. Okay, so if we go a little bit down and if we see money flow index in 1 day, that is 1 day time frame, you can see that is also near 65. So not completely in overbought, but that is also pointing that further momentum may be seen. So everything is looking good. Deliveries are increasing. Stock is near the support region. So okay, try to enter with decent quantity. So don't have any over greed and trade cautiously. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.